and it is a saying and an action. It increases and decreases. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, so that their belief may increase with beliefs. Al-Fatah verse number 4. And we increased them in guidance. Al-Kahf verse 13. And those who got guidance, Allah will increase them in guidance. Al-Maryam verse 76. And those who have been guided, Allah has added to their guidance and bestowed them their pity. Surah Muhammad verse 17. And the faith of the believers may increase. Surah Mudassir verse 31. And He Jalla Jalaluhu said, whose faith among you has this thing increased? Then as for those who believe, it increased their faith. Surah Tawbah verse 124. And it is the saying of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, therefore they fear, so their faith was increased. Surah Al Imran verse 173. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, and it increased them nothing but faith and submission to the pleasure of Allah. Surah Al-Ahzab verse 22. And to have love for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and harbor grudge for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is a part of faith. And Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz wrote to Adi bin Adi, there are some obligatory acts, rules and regulations, limitations and methods for faith, and who accomplished them accomplished the faith, and he who did not accomplish them did not accomplish the faith. If I remain alive, I will tell you that so that you should act upon it, and if I die, then I have to entrust to remain alive along with you. And Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam said, so that my heart may gain positive knowledge. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 260. And Hazrat Muddah radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, sit down near us to that we remain satisfied for a moment. And Hazrat Ibn Masud radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, belief is the entire faith. And Hazrat Ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, man does not grasp the reality of piety unless he abandons those things which disconcert the heart. And Hazrat Mujahid interpreting, he has directed you, Surah Al-Shura verse 13, said, O Muhammad, we enjoined on you and him the same religion. And Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu interpreting, a law and a way, Surah Al-Ma'idah verse 48, said, a way and a method. Hazrat Ikrimah bin Khalid reporting from Hazrat Ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Islam is based on 5 things. To bear witness that there is no worthy of worship but Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is his apostle. Establish prayer, pay poor dues, perform pilgrimage, and keep fast of month of Ramadan. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 8.